What's going on? It's NYC Real Estate P, your New York City and Long Island real estate agent, back with another video to help you with your real estate journey. And today we're back with another property tour in Long Island, and we are in Locust Valley. Alright, and this listing behind me has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, full finished basement. It's been completely renovated throughout all floors. You're going to see beautiful wood floors throughout the main floor and the second floor. You're going to see a wonderful tile wood floor in the basement. All right. Now, what's also special about this home is it has central AC, but also you got a nice sized pool in the backyard for family and friends to hang out when the weather gets beautiful. All right. Now, this house is currently listed just under $730,000. Again, it's in Locust Valley, which is in Long Island. If you're looking somewhere in the Northern Shore for a home, especially this one, reach out to me today. Leave a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I hope you enjoy this property tour. right. Wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful home, right? All right. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the property tour. If you're interested at all in coming by to see this property, please reach out to me. Leave a comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the property, if you didn't like something that you saw in there, or if you just have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or feel free to reach out to me on any of the platforms. I'm NYC Real Estate P, and I'll catch you next time.